A week ago, Nimi's elder brother turned 12. All of Nimi's friends and family members were in attendance at the party. Now, because everyone knew how much Nimi loved balloons, she was put in charge of decorating the party room with balloons. Nimi got these really nice inflated balloons. They came in the shape of numbers. She got the numbers 1 and 2 since her brother was turning 12. Now, when it was time to decorate, Nimi mistakenly put the 2 balloon before the 1 balloon. When Mr. Omar noticed this, he was surprised. Fola is too small for a 21-year-old, he said. Oh, my bad. He's 12, not 21, Nimi replied, as she switched the position of the numbers. Hello, my friend. Did you see what happened? Changing the position of a digit in a number caused the number to change. This is because the position of a digit in a number is very important. Different positions in a number have different place values. Say that with me. Different positions in a number have different place values. Perfect. Now let's look at this number. The first digit, 1, has the place value called thousands. The second digit, 3, has the place value called hundreds. The third digit, 5, has the place value called tens. And the last digit, 7, has the place value called unit. The first digit has a value of 1000 because it is in the thousands position. The second digit has a value of 300 because it is in the hundreds position. The third digit has a value of 5 tens or 50 because it is in the tens position. And the last digit has a value of 7 units or 7 because it is in the units position. If the units number 7 is promoted to the hundreds position, its value would change to 700. So always keep this in mind when writing numbers. Make sure that you place digits in their correct positions. Do not change their place value, okay? Great. Now let's do a quick exercise. What is your year of birth? Nimi's year of birth is 2014. Now, what digit has the hundreds place value in your year of birth? I'll give you 5 seconds. Time up. For Nimi, the answer is 0. How about the tens place value in your year of birth? You have 5 seconds. Answer time. For Nimi, the answer is 1. Did you get the same answer? Okay, another one. What is the unit digit in your year of birth? 5 seconds. For Nimi, it's 4. On to the last one. What is the thousands digits in your year of birth? The time is counting. Time up. For Nimi, the answer is 2. That was a fun exercise. I hope that you answered the questions for yourself. Now that you know how important place values are, never mix them up, okay? Bye, friend.